Welcome to our channel. Romantic getaways create lasting memories and strengthen connections. Step 1. Choose a destination that appeals to both partners' interests. Step 2. Select accommodation with romantic amenities like views, privacy, or special packages. Step 3. Make reservations at nice restaurants well in advance. Step 4. Plan a mix of activities and relaxation time together. Step 5. Surprise your partner with a special experience they've mentioned wanting. Step 6. Book couples activities like spa treatments or wine tastings. Step 7. Create moments for intimacy away from busy tourist crowds. Step 8. Consider timing your trip around sunset for romantic photo opportunities. Step 9. Unplug from work and social media to focus on each other. Step 10. Bring small, thoughtful touches like favorite snacks or music playlists. Step 11. Be present and spontaneous rather than overscheduling every moment. Step 12. Capture some memories but don't spend the trip behind cameras. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel